Hi, my name is Lauren Kruger. My banner ID is 01246545. I have not collaborated with any other live person to create this video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a hypothesis test, and the question is that 50% of students attending Houstonic Community College are from Bridgeport, and we are going to see if that hypothesis test is true, whether we reject the null or do not reject the null. So I'm going to turn the computer over to the screen here. And what we're going to do is select stat, proportion stats, one sample with summary. And we have two letters here. HO is representing the null, which nothing new, and HA is the alternative hypothesis. And I'm going to say that the alternative hypothesis is greater than 50% of students because the college is in Bridgeport. So I would imagine that most of the Bridgeport residents would be attending Houstonic Community College. And our probability is going to be how likely or unlikely it is. And we're going to know this by the p-value. If the p-value is smaller than 0.5, then it is unlikely that it is true. If the p-value is larger than 0.5, the hypothesis test is likely. So in our number of successes, we're going to put the number of students that attended Houstonic Community College that were from Bridgeport, and that number is 1,779. The number of observations is going to be the number of students that were in the college, and that is 3,595. And we're going to select compute. And here we have a probability that shows us the proportion. So P is representing no change. P, we want to change this to greater than. So P greater than, because that is my alternative. Select compute. And here we have our probability. So our test results show us here the number of students that were in Bridgeport. This is the total number of students. And our p-value, we're going to have, it's a two-tailed, so we're going to have to multiply 0.7314 times 2 to give us the probability. So calculator, so we're going to do 0.7314 times 2, and that gives us 1.5. So I am going to, there's no evidence to reject the claim, so I am not going to reject the null. Thank you for your time. I hope this video was helpful.